Let us look at a small example of an Excel file. Everyone creates that. So there are Excel files which roam around in the organization. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you regularly see new content on data privacy, and we are going to talk about an example of an Excel file that gets generated. Hundreds of them and thousands of them get generated in organizations on a daily basis. And not only Excel but several other files. How well are they handled? Are we really as careful as we should be? Or is it the time for us to relook at what we are doing? We export them. Simple. Export could mean change of format. Export could mean reporting. It could mean analytics. Change of format can bring in convenience. But then where does it go? Does it really stay internal only? Even if it's a customer report and you are sending it to the customer for analysis or for his updates, do you have a proper privacy related clauses in your contract that either of you are not going to let it go beyond because it may contain PIIs? Can it? Well, an Excel sheet. So what next? The file starts spreading around, right? People in the organization, out of the organization, sometimes, you give a very good report to a colleague. He wants to understand how was it made. He wants help of one of his friends. And there it goes out. Goes out as email attachments, goes out from shared folders. Even if you have a role-based access, I'm a part of the project and I just picked it up. Circulate it to the team. Not everyone may need it, but it is there with everyone now, which could be dangerous if they share it outside. Assumptions, it's an internal document. Is it? Internal environment is always trusted. Yeah, ideally it is. But routing and sharing happens. Right? Someone would say, you in the project, someone made a very good report. I thought I'll just take a feedback from my mentor and have pulled it out and shared with him. No one realized that is happening. And that's where user behavior and users' awareness to the fact that circulating such things, which on one side could have potential business information, and we are strict on PIIs here because we are talking of privacy. So in both cases, this could be dangerous. So we need to be extremely careful. Where does this all break? It all breaks up when the system controls disappear. When you stop looking at what is happening, access control, no access control, but access logs. If access control is well done, are you tracking who is accessing which file? Is it going out of the system? Because if it's getting unnecessarily circulated and not accessed from a central location, it has multiple versions, multiple owners, and no visibility. So maybe if a report is customer oriented and I as a manager have finalized it, I don't give edit access to my entire organization. I give only read only access. You read and you share your feedback. You are not allowed to tweak it. You are not allowed to pick it up. Pick it up might still be possible because read only access allows. So I have a tracking system that tracks who pulled the file out, right? And it's well managed. From DPDP point of view, whether it's with you, whether it's not getting shared unnecessarily, controlled access, downloads, monitoring, tracking, right? File server logs are created to see who is accessing which file. Else otherwise, file gone out, someone exported, someone shared, sheets, docs, whatever kind of files, presentations, anything that could have possibly PIIs, and even this presentation has a PII, right? You have to have full control over it. You have to track where is it going and who is sending it outside. So that if there's a breach, you know what went wrong. So that's about sharing files, Excel or any other kind of files. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.